Okay, let's proceed with organization and management. Week number 2 kasi new week na tayo ngayon. Pero siyempre hahabulin nyo pa rin yung week 1. So don't rush it. Please watch the video for week 1. Dahil mahalaga yon para mag-complete natin yung lesson and yung activity. So this week 2, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna discuss what is the new lesson for the week kasi new week na to. Anyway, I'm just gonna create a video for session 1 kasi pa kami pasok na sa Wednesday, so we can still do classroom discussion. If not, then I'm gonna produce the video so that hindi tayo naiwan sa lesson. Don't worry. Let's proceed. Session 1, week number 2. Of course, we still have the basic content, same concepts and theories of management. Performance standard apply the management theories. But the competency will be new kasi it's a new week. The learners will be able to explain the functions, roles of a manager. So we will talk about what? Pag-uugali ng manager. And the pages on 34 to 37 sa ating book. This week's output is worth 50 points. Performance and written. Medyo mabigat. Pero pag walang, pag may pasok Thursday, Friday, kaagad natin gagawin yun. Output na ito. That's why I'm creating video lessons para sa gayon ay wala tayong problema sa paggawa ng output. Anyway, madali lang yung output. Steps. The teacher will group you into 4 per team. Per class. So, malamang yung row 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan ang groupings. Okay? Org man ito, grade 11, ha? So, malamang i-group ko kayo per row kasi 4 naman yung rows. We'll see as we go back, progress, but it's important. The important thing is you understand what you are going to do and the lesson. Based on the lesson this week, the management process, yan ang basis ng ating output. Siyempre, you will be doing a role play portraying the following. So, meron akong 4 scripts. Nakita nyo na to kasi nasa page or bulletin natin yung lecture mismo. Until week 4 yung lecture natin. So, that means that this is for week 2 lecture. And there are 3 videos or lessons or 1 page on your part. And kita niyo sa baba, it's role play. So 4 groups and each room will perform different role plays. So isang section, 4 groups, iba-iba yung role play. Next section, 4 groups, iba-iba yung role play. Third section ng gas, 4 groups, iba-iba yung role play. Group 1, hindi pa ako nag-identify pero at least alam nyo na yung flow. Recruitment process yung role play nyo. Ayan yung mga may parts. Yung company, Jollibee, Marquee Branch. Anong gagawin nyo? Kunwari may nag-a-apply ng trabaho sa inyo. Yun ang pinakapunto ng role play. So, kailangan yung mga actors nyo ay may recruitment manager, recruiter, secretary, nag-a-apply, 3. Tapos, siyempre para hindi magulo yung skit, yung roleplay, mayroon behind the scene. Hindi siya kasama sa acting, yung director. At hindi rin kasama sa acting yung script writer. Hiwalay sila. Basta gagawin ng script, bibigay sa director, tuturuan ng director kung paano mag-act, tapos mag-act yung mga recruitment manager, recruiter, secretary, and 3 applicants. Group number 2 is conflict management. Company debt and fearless. O, hindi makatotohanan to. Okay, ang role play may 3 chismosang teacher, nag-aaway, so ma-office sila. Ang mga actors ay kailangan, kunwari mayroong school principal. Yan. So may kunwari si Sir Jason. Tapos may 3 witness, yung faculty president, si Sir Ariel, assistant school principal, si Sir Bon, mag-act, and grievance committee chair, si Sir Darren. So, 1, 2, 3, witness, kasama ang school principal. So, kunwari, nagmi-meeting kayo kasi pinagbabati niyo yung 3 nag-aaway na teacher. Siyempre, dun sa meeting may 3 teacher yung nag-aaway. Tapos, sa meeting, siyempre mayroon documentation. May mag-a-act nun. At siyempre, yung director or scriptwriter hindi kasama dun sa acting. Kasi ang scriptwriter siya yung magsusulat kung anong sasabihin ng mga actors at ang director ay mag-ensure na hindi magulo yung acting. Okay? Number 3, production department. So, this is in Toyota. Sa may labas ng Samira. Sa may Kutod. Kutod nga yun. Basta, dun sa labas. So, ang senaryo ay gagawa kayo ng bagong sasakyan. Pipinturahan nyo. Okay? You will build a new car. That's supposed to be car, not care. Painting stage. Okay. Sinong mga actor? May supervisor. Kasi since paint division yan, may supervisor. May 3 taga-pintura, machine operator. Hindi naman kasi pintura kami yun, machine yun. May 2 quality checker. Okay? At meron quality manager. So, meron magpapapintura, specialized, tapos kayo nang mag-act kung paano yung proseso para makomplete yung magandang pintura ng kotse. Siyempre, gaya ng ibang group, may director, hindi kasama sa acting, sila yung magdidirect para hindi magulo yung acting. At mayroon tagasulat ng script kung ano sasabihin ng mga ito para pag nandun na, ay hindi magulo. Play ito, output for the week, and this is gonna be inside the classroom. Pag walang pasok talagang sagad, gagawin natin tong video output. Pero wag muna, inside the classroom. Number 4, marketing team. So, kunwari, ang company nyo ay Mediatown Graphics, graphic design company. Ang roleplay are you going to create a Google ad about the holiday in Colyat. Diba sa October 20th na tayo? Yan. So, gagawa yung Google, sabi ng Google, gawa ka ng advertisement. Ipapost sa Google. Yan, tinawagan ka. So, yun ang magiging takbo ng inyong acting. Yan. And yung mga actors, may CEO, may marketing manager, 3 graphics designer, secretary, at yung mga clients, which are Google. Or which is Google. Siyempre may director, siya yung ensure na yung acting hindi magulo, sunod-sunod, floor director yan. At siyempre, ang sasabihin ng mga actors, mayroon gagawa ng script. Okay? So, mayroon na kayong 4 situations for 4 groups per section. Pag-aralan nyo na yan para pag nag-assign na ako, alam nyo na yung gagawin. Okay? It's really good to know what to do so that when I ask you to do it, it's less what? Labor and stress. Ito yung rubrics. May rubrics for role play. Kung maayos yung pag-act nyo, as usual, alam nyo ng rubrics, yung 50 points, para ma-achieve nyo yan, sundan nyo yung kailangan doon. Meron din individual score kung nag-participate yung group members. Yan siya. Ang leader mag-grade nito. So, magkakaroon ng 2 grades, group, and tinatawag na individual grade. Siyempre, evaluate ko pa rin yung grade ng individual. So, in other words, this is for 100 points. Uy, bawi ang 2 100 points performance task for group and individual. 100 points for written task, group, and individual. Okay. Let's discuss. What is a manager? If you want to think about it, you can Google it, learn it, self-learning. But I want to guide you, facilitate learning. What is a manager? I'll proceed. You can pause this to search it or learn for it. But let's discuss further. How do the functions of a manager, bulk, planning, organizing, leading, controlling, differ in different types of organization, such as a non-profit organization versus a multinational corporation? In other words, kasi mayroon tinatawag na management theory or functions, like yung POLC, diniscuss natin yung POLC, at iba-iba yung style yan, depende sa anong uri ng company. Okay? Let's discuss further. Would you rather work for a manager who is highly organized but lacks interpersonal skills? Or a manager who is charismatic but struggles with planning and organization? Think about it. Own words. Answer the question. Now let's discuss that based on theory. Okay, let's discuss. Manager, therefore, is the leader of a group or groups in an organization where he or she belongs. In other words, siya yung boss. Leader in a certain group. Meron tinatawag na gampanin or responsibilidad ang isang manager. Okay? Meron roles, skills of a manager in any type of organization. That's needed. Kung hindi, papalpak yung business. Huh? And whether private, government, or non-government, there are always persons who are designed as managers. Kahit saan, kailangan talaga meron pinaka-leader. Kung hindi, magulo, kanya-kanya. Ano yung gulo nun? No? Na-experience yung kanya-kanya. Sakit ulo, walang success. Kailangan talaga may magpapasakop at may sasakop. Laging ganun. Para maayos yung organization. I've been in the industry for 25 years bago pa-DepEd. And pag magulo yung organization system, ay mabagal yung trabaho, magulo yung trabaho, o hindi masaya yung employees. You should know your roles and functions. Manager is the one who is mainly responsible and accountable for accomplishing the goals, objectives of a particular group or a company, such as unique, a division, or a department. Basta group siya. Siya yung responsible para dapat ma-achieve yung goal. Now, paano niya ma-achieve yung goal? Tanong, di ba? Puro baba yung nakikita ko. Buti pa tangos yung ilong ko. Paano yung nakikita? Okay. Functions. Let's talk about functions, task of a manager. Kasi how can you reach the goal if a manager doesn't know what to do? This is what you need to learn. Managerial functions pertain to the specific tasks and responsibilities assigned to a manager. Okay? Manager is expected to lead, direct, supervise, monitor, evaluate, and control the performance and output of his or her group. You have to realize this. Kaya sa leader siya, responsible siya na maging successful ang group. So, dapat ang group magpasakop sa leader. Why? Kasi responsibility niya at expect ng mga tao, boss niya, is gonna lead, direct, supervise, monitor, evaluate. Trabaho niya yon. Control. Alam natin yung definition ng control, no? Diniscuss natin yun, yung controlling, yung bulk. Hindi yung sasakalin ka ng manager, hindi. Sinusigurado niya na walang sayang na resources. That's control. And the performance and output of his people. Responsibilidad niya yan. Unawaan natin yan. Plus, when you're working na professionals, always respect your leader. They have a role, a function to perform, and that is why they want you to do things to reach the company goal, not his goal, the company goal. Okay? Managerial functions vary depending on the level of management position. Siyempre, depende sa rank, rank ko. Yung authority or responsibility ng manager, depende sa rank yan. May 3 rank kasi. Meron first level managers. This first level manager manage the work of members who are directly involved in the production of products and delivery of services of the organization. Sila yung supervisor. Pinakaunang supervisor. Like ordinary employee, tapos yung boss mo. Yan siya. Sa amin, teachers, tapos si Sir Bon. Yun ang boss namin. Okay? First manager naman ay si Sir Bon. So, diretso kami, nakikinig kami sa kanya. Sinusundan namin yung goals ng company. Siya yung mag-execute. So, yan ang first level manager. Sa McDo, meron tinatawag ng bisor. Tapos, meron pang team lead. Yan. Usually, yung team lead, yun yung pinaka first level managers. Tapos, may manager. Second level yun. In many companies, the first level managers are the supervisors. Let's go to a personal context. Kasi, di ba, nag-work ako for 25 years sa iba-ibang company. So, share ko yung experience ko as first level manager. Ayan. Nag-work ako sa AGS. Actually, marami yan. Halos naging supervisor ako sa iba't ibang company. Hindi man ako nag-start ng work as an ordinary employee. Alam mo yan, napaka-fortunate ako. The first time I landed a job, my first job ever was supervisor and that quality inspector. So, itong company na to, ayan, naging quality inspector ako or team lead. Yan, leader. Kaya iba yung uniform ko. Nakita niyo yung uniform ko? Sa Amerikana, hindi yan. Yung sa baba, white. The rest, para parehong gray tsaka pink. Mga tauhan ko yan. Yung naka-white, first level manager yan sa AGS. Kaya, yan, kita na yung ID ko. Diyan pa yun. First level manager yan. Okay, mamaya makikita natin yung mga responsibilities dyan. Pero at least, alam nyo na that's the first level manager in actuality. Ito rin, naging team lead ako. Ito yun. Every morning yan. Yan yung team ko. Susunod ka, no? Yan yung team ko. Iba-iba yan. Meron akong graphic design artist, accountants dito, flight, flight managers or people, yung sila yung ensure that yung mga employees sa ibang bansa ay ginagawang trabaho nila. Okay. First level manager sila dun sa ibang bansa. Okay, first level manager nila sa Pilipinas. Okay, ito. Ipapang company na supervisor ako. Ayan. Color blue, mga rank and file employee yan. Color green, ayun, nandun ako, Jotam A, ay mga first level supervisor. Tapos meron second, mid-level supervisor, yun naka-yellow. O, diba? Okay. What about middle managers? The middle level managers manage the work of the supervisor. So, the supervisor, meron sa taas ko. Middle managers ang tawag doon. They are the division heads or department heads depending on the size and nature of the organization. Sa DepEd, principal namin ang mid-level manager. Supervisor ang Sir Bon, assistant school principal. Yan. Examples. Ayan, mid-level. Quality ako dyan. Quality ako dyan. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, madalang lang ako or wala man, hindi man ako naging ordinary employee, laging boss. Ito, yan yung white shirt, no? Quality, naging team lead ako, naging quality supervisor din ako. Mid-level yon kasi hawak ko mga first levels. Tawag lang quality manager pa. So, yan. Mid-level. So naranasan ko. Ilang beses ako naging first level manager and middle level manager. Yan. Evidence. What about top managers? Sila yung boss ng mga boss. Sila yung pangalawa sa mga may-ari ng company. Sila yung pinaka-boss ng isang big. Yan. So, top managers yan. And the top level of organization manage the middle managers. Top yan. They have larger responsibilities and accountabilities. Top managers are what? Positioned as the organization's president, CEO, vice president, CFO, and other heads, okay, etc. Directors. Naging ganyan ba ako? Top level, parang, wow, si sir, naging first level manager, supervisor, wow, naging middle level manager. Yes, naging top level manager ako. Yun sa mga tingnan mo. Philippine Operations Manager. Ka-level ko yung mga owner, mga ibang department. Sa Philippines, ako yung pinaka-boss nila. Kaya nakita nyo, meron na akong kasamang foreigner sa picture. Dati, puro mga ordinary employees, supervisor. Ngayon, foreigner na siya. Iba na yung itsura ko dyan. Pang mayaman. Yan siya. Okay. So, top, middle, and first level manager. Yan. Solid eh. Okay. Why is it important to understand management roles and functions? Para alam natin saan tayo lulugar. Think about it. Pause this video. Do you see yourself as a manager in your career? Think about it. Pause this video. And we're done with session 1, day 1. Walang pasok ka ngayon. Focus. So, ito na yung video para sa inyo. Stay safe. This is week 2, okay? Tapusin nyo muna yung week 1 videos para maintindihan yung lesson. Okay? And the output for this week is role play. Okay? Okay.